In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Duolingo Max and what is it. Duolingo Max is a premium subscription service that unlocks advanced features within the Duolingo app. This subscription leverages the power of AI to deliver high-quality education to a global audience. To subscribe to Duolingo Max, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Duolingo and head over to the shop section. On the shop section of Duolingo, you'd be able to find the different products that the app offers for its users. At the top of this shop, you'll be able to find this Learn More button under the Start a Family plan. So click on this. Duolingo Max or Duolingo Super allows unlimited hearts, mistakes review to target your weak areas, no ads, speaking and listening practice on demand, and free entry to legendary and time challenges. So click on try for 0 USD. As you can see in here, you can check the difference between the free plan and the premium plan on Duolingo. Go ahead and click on the Start My Free 14 Days to be able to avail the 14-day free trial for Duolingo Max. In here, you'll be able to find this message that says that the Duolingo app will remind you 2 days before the due. Now in here, you can select from the available plans before clicking on Start My Free 14 Days or 7 Days trial. In here, you'll need to enter your billing information such as your card number, expiration date, and security code. After that, you'll be able to start your free trial on Duolingo Max. Now, once you head back to your profile, your account would be among the Duolingo Max users. So you can have unlimited lives on Duolingo, learn ad-free, free entry to legendary challenges, personalized practice to target your weak areas, and support Duolingo's mission to keep education free for millions. And that's how you can simply avail Duolingo Max and what Duolingo Max is. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.